Hello and welcome back to Getting Handsy. This is Bob Boss. Today we're going to see if we can recreate the combat patrol for Tau. Now there are a number of good creators that make Tau out there, and some are much closer to the originals than the ones I picked. And with that being said, I chose one-page rules. I'll probably be using them a lot in the future because they have full proxy armies, so they're pretty cool. Technically their models are for their own game, but they have a lot of overlap. So the Eternal Dynasty is what we're going to use from one-page rules. So to start with, we need some Fire Warriors. For those, I'm using the Dynasty Warriors. We will also need the support systems. And here's what I came up with. We've got the regular troops. I've painted them a couple different ways, but mostly just white with some red shoulder pads. And then the couple drones that go with them, and a support turret. Next, we need some stealth battlesuits, a drone, and a homing beacon, although I don't know if the homing beacon is even used anymore. For these, I'm using the Dynasty Ninjas. They look pretty cool. And for the homing beacon, I use this like dragon console out of the terrain pack. So here they are, 3 stealth suits, a homing beacon, and a drone. I did have a catsident with the homing beacon, so it's missing the little horn things. Oh, also, I had to increase the scale of the ninjas to match the base size of the stealth suits. Then I needed an ethereal and a cadre fireblade. For those, we have the sage and the captain. The captain has a number of arm options too. And here's how they turned out. Last and definitely not least, we need the ghost keel. One Page Rules has a number of these larger mech type suits, but I chose the Samurai Titan for mine. You'll want to be careful in the scale. He's pretty big, but basically I just made a base that was the appropriate size and then kind of fit him on there. I think he's a little tall, but I'm okay with it. So long story short, yes, you can make a Tau combat patrol box out of proxy models. And to be honest, I really like these Asian-themed samurai ones way better than the regular Tau. So there you have it. What'd you think? Did you like these, and what army should we make next? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.